guys, today we are doing a Masala Gutti Vankai. So let's see how I'm doing it. Come. I'm taking a chopped onion and roasted groundnuts and the coconut oil and ginger garlic paste, turmeric, coriander powder and masalas. Okay, and after that I have taken a pan, in it poured some oil and I'm deep frying the onions. Guys, now our masala paste is ready, and then I stuffed this masala paste into the brinjal. So our stuffed brinjal with masala is ready. Now I am going to roast this masala stuffed brinjal into the oil and pan. Come here. Just I am putting over it, and here we go. Yes, and then I am roasting it. Guys, we are almost done with the curry, and here is our Masala Gutti Vankai curry. See how delicious it is.